We missed like 4 flights. I'm nervous.
I hope we don't poop our pants. Launching.
Okay.
Did someone just fart?
Definitely not me.
Do you smell it? That smell. A kind of smelly smell. A smelly smell that smells. Smelly.
It's you.
No, you. I can't hold. Is it too late to go to the washroom? This is me, when you're in a rocket, but can't go to the washroom.
We should have worn spacesuit. I heard spacesuit has built-in diapers.
How much longer do I have to hold?
Few more minutes.
I really can't hold.
Please hold, we are almost there.